What is up, YouTube? I hope you're doing very, very well. Today I'm going to break down step by step the best power of three ICT trading strategy that is guaranteed to make you money. And what I mean is, if you do trade this strategy over the long term, you are guaranteed to make money because this strategy has an extremely great edge within the live markets. So let's just jump straight in. So for anybody that is new here, I just want to break down really what the power of three is and really what a liquidity sweep is. So for example, what you're going to see in the market is you're going to see some lows like this, okay? These could be equal lows. This could be the London session low or the Asian session low. It doesn't really matter. The point is you're going to see some lows in the market. And then what we're going to see during a high volume session, we're going to see a run of this liquidity right here. And then once we see this liquidity sweep, our entry is going to be within this area right here. And then we're going to look at taking advantage of this trade to the upside, okay? So we're looking for a sweep of this sell side liquidity, because essentially what this is doing is this is the power of three. So this is one, our accumulation, two, our manipulation, and three, our distribution to the upside. So there's three parts. The first one is accumulation, second one, manipulation, which is literally just price coming out of this range. And then three is the distribution, which just means the trend continuation play. So our job as a trader is to literally just identify this power of three within the live markets. Then we can look at executing within the market and within the trend. So let's have a look right here. This was literally a trade that I just took today with all of the members at Toto Capital. The exact entries, take profits, stop loss, etc. was all given to the members. But let's just break it down so you guys can understand why it was taken as well. So what you can see here is this is the London session low right here, and this is the London session high right here. So we've identified this is our accumulation, which is step number one of the power of three. So now we're looking to spot the manipulation of this range, because we know that there's liquidity resting below the London session low. So you can see now we are entering into the New York kill zone, which from a UK perspective is 1 p.m. UK time. So from 1 p.m., we can start looking at the charts, okay? And this is a big problem because a lot of traders don't have the patience to wait for these specific kill zones. The reason why these kill zones work is because this is when the most amount of volume, volatility, and the trending conditions are going to take place, which is during the ICT kill zone, during the New York kill zone. So that's from 1 p.m. up until about 3:15 p.m. Okay? You can see during the New York kill zone, we sweep this sell side liquidity right here. We're simply looking for a bullish candle close, which we get right here. So we can enter on the break of this candle high, and validation goes below the liquidity sweep, target a 1 to 2, and then we can look for further continuation to the upside. We know that we have external range liquidity resting above this London session and Asian session high over here. So we're triggered in the trade right here. So we're triggered in on this candle. The trade starts pushing to the upside right here. And, we've got to be patient, okay? This is another super important thing. You can see price pushed around a 1 to 1 and then came back to our entry, okay? But we know from our data, from our back testing that we need to hold this trade either to stop loss or take profit. You can see, we suffered a little bit of drawdown right here, but that is the reality of trading. Not all trades are just going to fly to your take profit. And yes, some people may have been a little bit emotional when you've seen this drawdown, but that is normal. That is part of these mechanical strategies, okay? We enter here, either we're stopped out or our take profit is hit. So you can see right here, we hit a 1 to 2 risk to reward, and then we're looking for final TPs up at range highs for a 1 to 3, running this buy side liquidity. And you can see during the New York session, the volume comes in and the trade is now running around a 1 to 4.5 risk to reward. So this is the power of 3. Understand accumulation right here. Understand this is the manipulation right here. And understand this is the distribution phase right here that we are taking part in to the upside. Okay, this is one of the most important strategies, one of the most important concepts, and I hope you have learned a lot of important lessons throughout this video. Make sure to stay patient. Make sure to wait for price to come to you. And then when all of your rules do execute, when all of your rules line up within the markets, that is when we take the trade. And then, we understand, okay, this is the risk that I'm putting on the table right here. This is what I'm going to lose if it hits my stop loss. And this is what I'm looking at gaining if it does hit my take profit. Okay, so everything is mapped out ahead of time. So we're front running, on what we're expecting to take place within the market. I hope you did enjoy this video. Thanks for your time. And this is the ICT Power of 3. Make sure, guys, if you do want to see more free analysis like this, we do have a free Discord down below. Also, my official website is also in the description down below. So make sure to check that out as well. Thanks for your time, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.